Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to link a PDF document in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So as you can see here, we have successfully linked a PDF in our spreadsheet, and we can click on this Bitcoin PDF white paper and it will open up in a new tab, as you can see here. So how you can insert or add a PDF link to your Google Sheets spreadsheet. It's really easy to do. Let me do it from scratch. So all you have to do is, first you have to upload this PDF document to the Google Drive. You have opened this Google Sheets spreadsheet. So in this example, we're gonna use this Bitcoin white paper. I download it to my PC. Then all you have to do is go to Google Drive and then click on New File Upload. So this is what I have done with this Bitcoin PDF. As you can see, upload is complete. And then what you have to do is click on these three dots, select Share, Share again. And you have to make sure that anyone with the link can view this PDF document. So once you have changed the access level, the general access settings, click on Done. You have to share the PDF to be able to link in the Google Sheets spreadsheet. Then let's come back to this project management sheet we have here. And all we have to do to link the PDF now we have in our Google Drive folder is to right click on the cell where we want to link it and select Insert Link. And all you have to do is in the Search or Paste the Link field here, search for your PDF. And as you can see, it's here, Bitcoin PDF, and click on that. And as you can see, just like that, it has been linked to our Google Sheets spreadsheet. We can also click on this Edit Link option and change the visible text we have on the cell like so, and click on Apply, and as you can see, we changed the visible text as well. But now if you hover over this cell, we can see the PDF preview and we can click on it and check it out. So now this is how to link a PDF in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.